in Richard and Nancy's kitchen with the Fat Chefs.
Today we're going to make mango banana nut bread. The ingredients you will need are 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1½ cups of very ripe bananas, that's 3 to 4 medium bananas, a half a cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chopped nuts, 2 small mangoes or 1 large one, 1 cup of sugar, or you can use a sugar substitute. First we add our sugar to the bowl, then the butter, then you cream them both together. Next add the vanilla, buttermilk, eggs, and your bananas. Mix all your wet ingredients together. Blend to a smooth consistency. Then you add your mangoes. I like to use the small honey mangoes. You want to leave the mangoes a little chunky. Next, the dry ingredient: flour, salt, baking soda, and the chopped nuts. Use a spoon and mix well. Add the dry ingredients to the wet. And mix well. Pour into an 8-inch loaf pan. Smooth it out. And top with walnut halves. Into a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake for 1 hour or golden brown. Pull out the loaves. And let cool. Slice and serve. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.